So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add extra baggage on United Airlines. On here you will see book, flight status, check-in, and my trips once you go to their official website. From book, my trips, and so on. So if you need extra baggage, that's totally fine. But there's a few things you need to first see if it's before you bought the ticket or if it's after. Now, if it's after, go to the help segment. Once you go to the help center, you will see here which trip do you need help with. So you can find for confirmation and last name, so you can find that trip. But it says, what can we help you with today? And through here, just go to the second option, which will be baggage. Baggage fee calculator, so you can even see how much it will cost for that extra baggage. Check bags, claim status, or lost items. So you can see carry-on bags, see which bags can join you on board. So on here, you'll see some options like size limit, special items, and basic economy. So on there, you will see how much so you can see what's a carry-on bag, what's a personal item. So you can see the dimensions of it. You can see the bag fee calculator on there. And if you wish to actually go ahead and find and add more, you will need to find a flight and then check it on yourself. And you can see it's between different classes. So if you use basic economy, you can bring a full-size carry-on bag on board. And if it's just economy, you can. So there's a big difference. And adding extra baggage sometimes means moving up in class. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on United or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.